Morning.
Good morning, sir.
انت بتقولي يا اخويا انا مش فاهمه حاجه.
انا قايلك بعدين المهم دلوقتي بتسألني كويس في الموبايل اللي هو عشان لما الدنيا تزحزح معايا انا هدوس عليها.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Guys, good morning and welcome back. It's 4 o'clock in the morning. I just drove an hour to a gas station that I come every single day because the owner has an account here, and he pays for the fuel at the end of the week. So we come here every single day, and I'm gonna show you what I'm doing right now. It's in Maryland, and I still have just about 3 more hours to go. This is my route every single day for the past like 4 months. I've been doing it for about 4 months, and it's pretty cool. It's a little tough though. All the hours, and to get there, to come back from Maryland, it's usually about 4.5 hours with traffic. All that Baltimore traffic, and sometimes about 5 hours. But it's good. It's not like New York City traffic, so it doesn't bother me. That type of traffic doesn't bother me, so we're all good. I'm gonna have my Monster drink. Aleve back and muscle pain relief. I got this pain in the back of my neck over here. Hopefully this works. And I gotta get going. So, like I said, I got 3 more hours. I'm gonna show you what I'm doing, what I'm picking up, and that's it. I'll see you at pickup.
Alex.
Yo, is this Rashid?
Yeah, this is Rashid.
The big boss is from Jersey, sent me to pick up a drug shipment. And they told me to give you a code. The code is 16D.
Looking at, I think that code is for pickup from Starbucks or Dunkin' Donuts.
Oh my God.
Pick up at 16. Pick up at 16. Yeah, I called it. I'm heading down this way.
I'll see you.
Yes, sir.
All right. That's Rashid right there.
Yeah.
right, so we have 4 pallets today. Every single day is the same exact thing. It's either 3 pallets, 4 pallets, or 5 pallets. I think yesterday was 5 pallets. Today's just 4. And every single day it's the same exact thing. Over and over again. Same pickup location, same drop-off location. So nothing really exciting. I want to show you guys the, and if you live in Maryland or anywhere close to Maryland or whatever, maybe you could explain to me the reason why there are so many single car accidents in Maryland. There's always one car accident. There's never a second vehicle involved in the accident. It's always just one car. Except for this one. Check this out. This was, I don't know, maybe a week or so ago, maybe 2 weeks. See how this, that's actually a Toyota Camry right underneath. And, you know, I don't know how this could have happened, but it pushed that SUV up in the trees like that. That's pretty crazy right there. That's one of the accidents. There was another one, a white Tesla, and I guess the impact was so hard that the car spun and it was facing the opposite way on the highway. And I couldn't tell what kind of car it was until I passed it, and I saw that it was a Tesla from the back of the car, but the whole front was just gone, and the lady was just standing outside, like, oh my God, what the hell just happened to me? I don't know if these people work at night, and then in the morning they you know, they're driving home, you know, and then that's what happens. They fall asleep behind the wheel. I don't know what it is, but there's just so many accidents. If you're familiar with Maryland, I'm talking about Route 70 or Route 70. Both ways, east or west, there's accidents on both sides. And then people abandoning their vehicles. I don't know if these cars break down and they can leave them there. But in Jersey, if your car breaks down in Jersey or I don't know about New York, but in Jersey, if your car breaks down and you leave it on the side of the highway, you're gonna get a whole bunch of tickets in the mail. Tickets that they don't even exist. They're gonna make up fines to give you for leaving your car unattended on a highway like that. In Maryland, everybody leaves their car. You run out of gas, you leave your car. Your car breaks down, you leave your car there. I seen a motorcycle yesterday. Nobody there. The motorcycle is just there. I don't know. If you know why this happens in Maryland, let me know. The reason why people leave their cars on the shoulder, on the side of the highway like that, I don't know. But anyway, I got to finish filling out my logbook and start heading back. I got to take a picture of this paperwork and upload it. And like I said, I have about a 4.5 hour drive. Depending on traffic, if it's super heavy traffic, it's gonna be like 5 hours. But let me get this going, and I'll see you at drop off. I'll just leave all 4 pallets over here, and then he'll take them from here and put them in the trailer. It's not here yet. So try to do this with one hand because I didn't want to walk in here with that chest mount camera. Never done it. Very simple. Pull them out of the truck, leave them right there, and he'll take them from here. Okay, so here they are. Now they go to this truck, to Connecticut. And that's it, pretty much done. Closes up and we're done. We're out of here.